Hello, welcome back to ReddyControls. I had somebody asked me a question like, how do you become motivated in your workplace? What drives you to keep showing up to work, right? Try to find something you like as a side project within your work, and figure out a way to solve business problems with the tools which you like to use. For example, you could have a machine which is constantly breaking down. Go and talk to the maintenance people, go and talk to the operations people, understand what their problems are, and try to help to resolve those problems. The best way to learn coding, programming, or anything automation is trying to solve a problem. Once you solve a problem, you will learn a lot more about the technology rather than just learning the technology. So go out there, find the problems, solve them, and then come back and solve another problem. As you solve more and more problems, you become more valuable to the company, and also gives you a sense of pride in your work. With everything going on in this world, all you need to have is find the work which you truly love and solve problems and add value to others. Your pay depends on the amount of value you create to that business. See you until next time.